So today I'm connecting this horn into this truck right here. So we need to connect this one to the power, this one, the black one, to the ground, and this one is it goes to the switch. So it connects the ground on all the solenoids, every single solenoids. And this module here, I believe it has over 40 different sound. So when this is ground up, it would play all the songs, all the different sound, and I'll connect all the horns right on this area right here. So I'll have to remove that bracket right there, and I'll put it right there facing the outside, and then I will run the wire all the way through here. I'll probably have to drill one hole around there. Then after that, I have to bring it around here, and I'll put the module here, right on this area right here. I can put it somewhere over there, but the customer requested have it here. That way he will have a easy way to operate it. Another thing that I have to do is connect the 1/4-inch hose here to the secondary tank, and then I will run it through the chassis coming up here. So I have it connected there already, power, ground, and then the third one, the orange one, I put it on the switch. That way it has power all the time, but the switch you can turn on, and you can go up and down and see which sounds you want. So like I say, I was gonna put it on that spot right there. I had to open up all this area right here, run the wire, and then I had to make a hole right there, put some silicone in there to seal the hole, and then I ran the wire all the way down there. I got the horn hooked up, and then I connect the airline right there that goes all the way back, same as the power wire, all the way back. The power wire goes all the way to the batteries, and the hose goes all the way to this tank right there. So I had to get this fitting right here. So yeah, and all you do is you play whatever sound. So that will be 33, and you just hit the switch on, and it will play the sound, and it will light up and see which plays.